So ito na ang continuation ng nursing video natin kasi maraming nagtatanong ng sweldo reveal ni Angel as a nurse. So ito na, Angel, ano na ba ang sweldo reveal mo?
Oh my God, nakakaloka naman tong sweldo reveal. But, challenge accepted. Actually, I have something better. So, if you actually check, so you basically search for top US hospitals. And you're gonna see the world's best here at Newsweek. Usually yan yung favorite ng mga hospitals. Makikita mo number 1, 2, 3, 4 are not New York, Los Angeles, or Bay Area. So we're gonna concentrate on 5, 6, and 7, which is UCLA in LA, and Stanford Health in Bay Area, and Mount Sinai in New York City. Makikita mo rin dito sa US News, hospitals also love using this. Makikita mo rin yung tatlong yon. Kaya lang itong website na to, they don't really like rank them 1, 2, 3. It's just the honor roll, but all three of them are still here. So, if we go to the websites, as what I said on the last video, you can actually search for the careers and then makikita mo kung ano yung mga sweldo nila. So, ito ang Mount Sinai, nakalagay, $61.7647 per hour. Yun nga lang yung range nila parang mali kasi same amount, 61 to 61. So, I'm guessing, yan ba yung lower range nila, yan ba yung upper range nila, or average ba yan? So, hindi ko talaga malalaman until maybe somebody applies to it. So kung meron taga Mount Sinai dyan, let us know. And it's a staff RN med surg telemetry in New York City full-time. Let's go to UCLA. Same, RN med surg telemetry emergency care unit. Makikita mo dito ang salary range mas mataas, 62.43 to 92.81. Even yung lowest range niya is already higher than the Mount Sinai in New York City. And napakataas nung upper bracket, it's 92.81. Oh my God, see? Kailangan ko na ata mag-apply sa UCLA. I don't work there. And then Stanford Health is from the Bay Area. Makikita mo, 72.55 to 96.15 per hour. Mas mataas talaga siya compared sa LA. Yun nga lang, this position is a case manager RN position, which is usually, that's actually my position here in LA. But for the sake of searching, wala akong nakitang med surg. So yun na lang gagamitin ko for now for an RN rate. Some hospitals naman mas mataas yung bedside nurse rate compared sa case management. Depende kung sang union sila. But for this particular one, makikita mo na mas mataas siya. And ang bonus ko sa inyo, since nag-promise ako na mag-sweldo reveal tayo, so this is where I work. Ito ang range niya, 54.86 to 89.90.